Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Bidirectional Visitor Counter with multiple bulbs using Arduino. So in this project, we are using an power supply, 5 volts power supply module, Arduino Uno R3, two IR sensors, bidirectional in and out, IR trans receiver pair we are using, and relay coil, three relay coils and three bulbs, 16 cross 2 LCD display, RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. IR sensors, those are connected with third and second, relay 765. Logic is 0 all off, 1 to 9 only single bulb is on, 9 to 19 1 comma 2 bulb on, 19 to 29 1 2 3 total all on. So if we come with only 9 to 19 second bulb, so if it is 0 all bulbs should be off. This is the logic. Let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using an bridge rectifier, filter, capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED, Arduino Uno R3 board, IR sensor 1 in, so it will take as in 16 cross 2 LCD display. So IR trans receiver pair, relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, total 3 bulbs, relay 1 bulb 1, relay 2 bulb 2, relay 3 bulb 3. So now I am going to switch on the power. Okay, let's restart the kit. So title name is bidirectional visitor counter with multiple bulbs on and off, visitor counting. Okay, so now first, so here please enter, entered. Okay, count is 1. Yes, yeah, first bulb is on. Okay, count. Now let's go with exit, exit 0, that should be off. Okay, let's start with all bulbs is off. 1, enter, enter. Okay, okay, please enter, enter to 2, enter 3, third one enter, fourth number is 4, exit. Okay, okay, enter, entered, please enter, enter. Okay, please enter, entered. Okay, please enter, entered. Okay, 7, total number of counts is 7, enter, 8, 9, so number of counts is 9, then 10, total 10. So second bulb is on. So here 9 to 19, 9 to 19 second bulb. So if we suppose any exit, okay, exit, exit. Okay, 9, second bulb is off. Okay, now we will check for third bulb. Please enter, enter. Okay, second bulb is on. Okay, please enter, enter. Okay, please enter, entered. 12, please enter, entered. Okay, please enter. 14, number of count is 14, please enter, entered. Okay, please enter. 16, seventeen, entered. Okay, 18, 19, so total 19, the count is 19. Now let's go for 20. Okay, third bulb will on. Okay, so they asked for 19 to 29. So let's 20 to 29. So they are asking for the individual count. Okay, I 19 to 29. So 19, so 20 to 29. Okay, so 3 bulbs on. Suppose if we go for 19, exit, okay, 19, that bulb will be off. Yeah, second is off. Let's like that only, all bulb we are going to decrease. Exit, okay, exit, okay, 17, exit, okay, 16, 15, please exit, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, second will off. So here also 19 to 99. Okay, so I forgot, but we can change it also. So if we go for 0, all will off. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go for 0, that will off. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.